Hi everyone, myself Soumya and my partner Nikita. Today we are going to introduce the board game project to you. In this project, we used PHP and CSS majorly to complete the project. Okay, now let me tell you the overview of our board game project. Yeah, in this project is maybe most of us have played Snake and Ladder in our childhood. Our project is most 90% similar to that Snake and Ladder game. Here there are two players. We will be having from the level 1 to 100, maybe from the step 1 to 100. The two players start rolling their dice. Based on the dice roll, they will move forward, and there are few hurdles in the game there. If when they reach there, maybe if there will be moving step backs of that, like if they go to the hurdle, 1 point of hurdle by roll of 5 dice, they'll go back to 5 steps back. So by facing that hurdles and on the basis of dice roll, and whoever reaches the 100th position first, they will win. This is the main overview of our project, the board game. This is the UML diagram where we can understand high level of our project. There are two players, user 1 and user 2. Each player rolls the dice based on the dice rolls, and based on the danger zones. Whoever reaches whoever reaches the 100th position first, they are going to win. Let me show you our UI page. This is our UI page. In the UI page, like, we just put a basic login of a user. We are going to create an user account. There we are asking the name and the Gmail, and we are giving some terms and conditions. Only if they accept the terms and condition, the user will be going to sign up for the page. Once the user signed up, he will be getting the game introduction page where we are introducing our game, maybe the high level introduction of the game. And we also have the home page, game contact. If there is any help required, we are going to give the contact details about the team and the summary. We are giving all the tabs in the home page. Next, next the user is going to start game by clicking on the game. Once they click on the game, here we are asking the user to enter the player names. If here we created a game with two players, right? So we are asking two player names, and after entering the two player names, we are going to start the game. Once they click on start, the game is going to start. So far, let us look at the code. Once the player clicks on start, we are going to validate whether the two player names are entered or not, and we are going to start the game. So here we used PHP to write the logic for the game, and for all the start validations, and on the dice rolls. For each player, we are checking the scores and all, and we have written this logic in the PHP. And for styles, we used CSS. We are checking the logic. Here we are checking for each player. We are checking the post conditions and all the scores and all. We are storing in an array, and we are every time we are iterating that array. And if there is any hurdles, we are removing that score from the array, and we are moving that player forward. So let me show you the game board. This is the game board. We have numbers 1 to 100. We have few, I said there are few hurdles, right? The blocks which are highlighted in yellow color, or the hurdles. Once the user reaches the 6 number on the roll of 1, user is going to going back to one step backward if he reaches an hurdle. So we are giving the color code for each player, so it is easy to identify which player is where. So here we have two players, Soumya and Nikila. So that we have color coded the player names. So, and also in this game page, we are showing the score, individuals players count. So where the user is, we are also showing for better user experience. We are showing the score here, and we are showing the dice roll here instead of dice logo. These are the styles we used for our game. For danger, we used orange color. And if you see the user guess, we put the styles and all. For players, we have used the color radius and all. And next for sign up page, these are on hover, we are we are changing the colors. For hover, we used this styles. Next, let's see how the user wins. Here in this position, the player Soumya has reached 100 position first. So we declared Soumya has won the game because she reached the position 100 first. And we also have one more condition testing here. User cannot roll the dice twice. So only after the second user rolls the dice, the next will get a chance. So there is no scope of rolling dice twice. So next, my friend Nikila is going to continue how we are going to test, and she'll demo you the project.
Yeah, these are the testing tools what we are using. One is PHP sessions and CSS validators, Safari and Chrome, Mozilla. Yeah, these are the tools where we have used for testing our code. And yeah, this is the thing. I'm gonna show you the demo part where you can understand. This is our main page. Here you can see the login, intern name, something like Soumya, and email address. Terms and conditions. So we have provided one hyperlink where we gave the terms and conditions. And yeah, this is the welcome page. Here you can find the details of it. There is home page and another game, contact, about, summary. In home page where you can see this is the home page. And in game, here we can enter. We used multiple couple players. We used only 2. So something like, yeah. So yeah, Nikhila. We are about to start the game. Here you can see the board. It includes 100 steps as Soumya mentioned, and there are few hurdle points over here. These are the players who are playing, Soumya and Nikhila. So we will roll the dice. The number is 3. So on the count from in the board games, here you can see it is in 3rd position, and it 2. So in this way, the person who reaches first the 100 position will won the game. And there are few hurdle points. Yeah, this is the demo of it. Whenever the person reaches the top position, they will win the game. And in contact, we provided the details. If there is any issue, we provided the contact details of it. Yeah, this is the summary of the project. We gave our team member details and about the project description and everything. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you guys.